Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you guys how to make the Thai desserts. This is Thai layer desserts recipe, or in Thai we call Khanom Chan. This silky, chewy and coconutty thick jelly like dessert is usually used in Thailand. First we gonna separate 2 portions of the coconut milk and add half portion coconut milk to saucepan with the sugar and heat and stir on the high heat until the sugar has completely dissolved in the coconut milk. In additional, we gonna add some of the pandan flavor, and after the sugar is dissolved, turn off the heat and then let it cool down a bit. So you can check if the sugar is dissolved when you put our solution onto the spoon, and then you cannot see for the sugar. And now it's ready. And mix all the flour together, salt in a bowl, and knead the flour mix slowly, adding coconut milk as until we can knead the flour, not put all the coconut milk, and then we're gonna knead the batter for 5 or 10 minutes. And then you can see now the batter is ready, and put all the coconut milk into the batter and knead until it's homogeneous. And then we're gonna add our coconut with the sugar that we prepare in the beginning into our batter, and then mix it well. And then strain our mixture. Once ingredient is mixed, pour into the separate bowl in equal measure to ready for coloring. The one we gonna make the white color, not adding any color. And then we gonna press whichever mold you are using into the steamer for about 5 minutes just to heat them up. Once they had heat up, and choose the first color layer you want to use, and pour one of the coconut mixture into the mold. Form the bottom layer about 3 minutes steaming, and then another layer do the same. We're gonna steam each layer for 3 or 5 minutes of steaming. And make sure you give the coconut mixture a good stir before pouring on. Once you have added the second layer, steam for 3 minutes. Once again, repeat the process for many layers as you want. Once all of the layer has cooked, carefully remove from the steamer and allow to cool down for about few minutes, and then remove from the mold. And now we get our Thai desserts, that is Khanom Chan. This is a Thai sweet has a texture with slightly chewy and soft with a very sweet flavor. It's not difficult to make but maybe it take the time for make it. It's really fun to make and you can play around using different colors and shapes to get a sweet which not only tastes great but is pleasing to the eye too. So I hope you guys give this try for this recipe and thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and follow me on my YouTube and my Facebook. So see you next time.